We're going to start here with lot number 1. We do have some phone bidders on some of these tractors. We're also broadcasting the auction live on the internet, so if you happen to see one of the folks in the green vest bidding, they're bidding for somebody that couldn't make it. We're going to get started with a great bunch of tractors, and the first one we're going to offer is a great little RTS with a cab. Great little RTS with a cab, new rubber all the way around. What you find, maybe 1 out of 8 or 1 out of 10 is the standard on the R cab tractor. So we're going to sell this one today, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go, absolute auction. And what are we going to give on it? How many dollars on the RTS? Hey, look at there, give me $40,000 and $40,000. Give it a 40, well, $10,000. Now 15,000, 15,000. I got 20. I've got 20 on the telephone. 25, 25 here now. $30,000 now. 30 now. 30 now. 30, 25 here. 30 now. 35, 35, 35, 35, 32, 5 now. 35,000 bid now. 5, 35, 32, 5, 35, 32, 5, 35, 37, 5, 37, 5, $40,000 now. 40 now. 40, 40, 40, 40 now. 40, 37, 5, 40,000 bid. 37, 5, $40,000, $40,000 now. 40 now. 40 now. 40, 37, 5 now. $40,000, 37, 5 now. $40,000 now. 40 now. 40, 37, 5 now. 40. I've already got 37, 5. That's all right. I'll take 38. Lowest bids I'll take. 38, 38, 38, 38, 40, 41, 41. Hey, don't be so definite. 41, 41. I got 40,000, 41, 40,000, 41, 41, 41, 41, 41, 41, 40,000, 41, 41, 41, 40,000, 41, $40,000 now. 41, 1, 1, 1, 41, 41, $40,000, 41, $40,000, 41, bid 1, 1, 1, 41, $40,000, 41. $40,000, 41 bid, 41 to go, 41 to go, 41, 1, 1, $40,000, 41, $40,000, 41, 41, all in, all done, sold it, $40,000. Number 714 goes to Northern Indiana. All right.